Curb appeal is more than just a buzzword in the world of real estate. It's the first impression your home makes on visitors, neighbors, and potential buyers. In Ferndale, where unique architecture meets modern living, homeowners are always looking for ways to elevate their property's exterior charm. One of the fastest and most effective upgrades? Installing new patio doors. Patio doors not only connect your indoor and outdoor spaces but also provide a stylish focal point that can transform the look and feel of your home. Here are the top reasons why adding or upgrading patio doors can instantly increase your Ferndale property's curb appeal. Modern style and design options. Patio doors have come a long way from simple glass sliders. Today's designs include French doors, contemporary multi-panel sliders, and folding glass walls. Each option offers its own aesthetic, whether you prefer a classic, elegant touch or a sleek, modern vibe. With customizable frames, finishes, and glass styles, homeowners in Ferndale can choose doors that perfectly complement their property's architecture. This wide range of design possibilities makes patio doors a key visual upgrade. They immediately signal modernity, sophistication, and attention to detail, all qualities that boost curb appeal. Natural light that brightens interiors. When it comes to creating an inviting atmosphere, few upgrades can match the power of natural light. Patio doors, with their expansive glass panels, flood interiors with daylight, making rooms feel larger, brighter, and more welcoming. From the outside, this glow projects warmth and liveliness, giving your home a vibrant, cared-for appearance. In a neighborhood like Ferndale, where homes often feature lush landscaping, patio doors also provide uninterrupted views of outdoor greenery, making the connection between your home and garden seamless. Increased property value. Curb appeal isn't just about aesthetics, it has a direct impact on property value. According to real estate professionals, homes with stylish and functional patio doors often stand out in competitive markets. Buyers see them as a premium feature, one that enhances both the home's look and its usability. For Ferndale homeowners thinking of selling in the future, installing or upgrading patio doors is a smart investment. It's a project that delivers returns both in daily enjoyment and long-term resale potential. Seamless indoor-outdoor living. Ferndale's community embraces outdoor living, with patios, gardens, and decks playing a central role in family life. Patio doors enhance this lifestyle by creating an effortless flow between indoor and outdoor spaces. Whether you're hosting a summer barbecue, enjoying a quiet coffee on the deck, or simply letting in fresh air, patio doors make these experiences more enjoyable. From the street, homes that feature these doors exude openness and harmony with their surroundings, a trait that instantly adds to curb appeal. Energy efficiency and comfort. Today's patio doors are designed with advanced materials and technology that improve insulation and reduce energy costs. Double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames ensure comfort year-round. While this might seem like an interior benefit, it also plays into curb appeal. A home that looks stylish while signaling energy efficiency and sustainability is attractive to modern buyers. In a progressive community like Ferndale, this eco-friendly element adds another layer of appeal. A statement of care and maintenance. Curb appeal isn't just about adding new features, it's also about showing that a home is well maintained. Old, weathered, or outdated doors can detract from even the most beautiful home exterior. Replacing them with sleek, modern patio doors communicates pride of ownership. This visual cue tells guests and potential buyers that the homeowners care about every detail, which creates an instant positive impression. Final thoughts. Patio doors are more than just an entryway. They're a design statement that can transform your Ferndale property. From boosting natural light and creating seamless indoor-outdoor living to showcasing energy efficiency and modern style, patio doors offer a powerful way to increase curb appeal instantly. For homeowners looking to make a noticeable difference without undertaking a major renovation, patio doors strike the perfect balance between beauty, functionality, and value.